All right, I'm videotaping, Pops. Rhea, what is it, September 21st? Mm-hmm. Winter Garden Downtown Car Show again. I forgot, what do they call this? It's not Car and Cruise, is it?
Yeah, something like that.
I think it's something like that. Anyways, it's 2019. I'm getting ready to shoot this car show. My father, as usual, has a car here. But I'm going to do something different than I do at other car shows, but I've done it actually here before. But I'm going to shoot as the cars all enter the show. So if you know anything about Orlando, Florida, Winter Garden's about 30 miles from Disney. I'm about 18, 20 miles west of Orlando. They have a few car shows a year here, and this is the one we're attending. Give you an idea what it looks like. There we go. Downtown Winter Garden. This downtown's really cool because a lot of the stores, restaurants, coffee shop is independent. There's not a lot of chains here. So if you're ever in Orlando, Florida, it's a nice place to visit that's basically not entirely sold out. So yeah, all right, so I'm gonna shoot it, and if you get a chance, if I forget, try to subscribe to my channel. I'm always gonna be posting unique places I go to all over North America and events like this. All right, take care. There we go. VW. Here's the SS. Nice. There we go. Yeah. Old school VW. Nice. There we go. Malibu. Wow, got a bunch of VWs. Alright. When I was younger, I always wanted one of these things. Nice vets. These are beauties. Chevy. Another Chevy. SS. Oh my goodness, look at this. Whoops, sorry about that. Got the bugs flying in my arms. Convertible vet. I got an Alfa Romeo. I don't know what year this was. I almost got one of these in like '88. What year is your Alfa? 87? Yeah, that was very similar to the one I was going to get. I love this car. I ended up getting a Grand National instead. Alright, back rolling. Another SS. Got a Pontiac behind it. Trans. Looks like it's from Ohio. Comes one of my babies. Used to have one of these, but I had the T-tops. It's nice. Looks really nice. Another Pontiac Thunderbird. If you get a chance, you might want to check out my other car shows, especially the one in Spokane and the one in Celebration. Got some beautiful cars in there too. Got a little Dodge truck here. Look at this thing. Wow. This thing looks like it's out of a movie. Mad Max. Got the Chevelle. go. We got a ZZ Top with a Mustang behind it. All right, got the Mustang. It's old school Broncos. Yeah, nice. Olds. Another Olds. Is this a 443? What are these? 442. That's right. Another SS. Bunch of trucks here. Go. Another Ford convertible. This guy's cruising. This guy's funny. All right. There's the SS Camaro. Got a Pontiac. With this Firebird. Mercury. There we go. Look at this little baby over here. 427 Cobra. There we go. Old school vet. Here we come with a little roadster. Plymouth. Old Dodges, funny. Pontiac behind it. We got a Beamer coming up. What another Pontiac. Another Pontiac Trans Am. There we go, Smokey and the Bandit. Old trucks. Another ZZ Top. There we go. Look at this old school. Gangster style. GMC. Alright, another SS. This thing sounds hungry. 460 Cobra over here. Torino. Wow, these station wagons, unbelievable. SS. Is that a 396? I don't even know. Super Sport. All right, here comes a beauty. Super Chevy. You like Mustangs? Here you go. Wow, look at this Ford. TR6. Look at this MG. Seen it before. There we go. All right, here comes that vet. Woo. Come on through. Good Chevy. gonna get some more footage of the show after this as well. This is just the intro. Look at this car. Yeah, the Gran Torino. My uncle used to have this car, but it was black on white. Or white on black. I don't know. Yeah. Ooh. How are you, my dear? All right, here we go. Another Mustang. All righty. All right. Another Mustang with a caddy or Chevy behind it. Sorry about that. What is that, a 50? I don't even know. It looks like almost like a 57, 6. I don't know my cars nearly as well as my father, but that's a beauty right there. That's that color too. What year is that, my dear? Oh, perfect, beautiful. All right, got a little Beamer here with the kids. All righty. What is this? I don't even know. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen one of these forever. Pontiac, wow, another SS. Here we go. Is this a Gremlin? I just saw a show, a Gremlin versus a Pacer? I don't know, they raced. All right, look at this. Nice. Still waiting for my father's car. Here we go, another Bel Air. What year is it, my man? What year? Wow. Nice. Get this Thunderbird black, huh? Vet. Alright, I got a big Chevy K5 Blazer with a Z behind it. It's hungry. All right. Chevy truck. All right, there's my father's car behind. Got damn bugs all over me. Right there's my father's. I'm gonna get some photos actually, so I'm gonna stop the video. There it is. 1980 Zimmer. Golden Spirit. Numbers 007. Yo! Yeah! I'll put it in the video. Yeah, this is everything it's got. Top to bottom. Alright, here we go. Vet, convertible. Go Gators, huh? We are in Florida. Nice Camaro. What do we got over here? 390, huh? Like Jeeps. Alright, let's zoom in a little here. Another Chevy. Plymouth. Oh my goodness, look at this Ford. We got the puppy. Chevy truck. See a lot of trucks in Florida. All right, another Ford Mustang. There we go, Shelby. I seen this last show. It's cool. brown. All right. Get a different angle here for a minute. Uh-oh, here we go. Here is Smokey and the Bandit. It's a beauty. This is my friend's favorite car. Nice little Chevy here. All right. Nice. Another beauty. Nice. There you go. Another SS. Oh, look at the Trans Am behind it. Look at this Cadillac. Holy cow. There we go. VWs. Amazing. Come on in. Yeah, my buddy used to own one of these. Another SS. That's behind that's the Mustang. All right, here's the Mustang. I think they're running out of room to park. Nope, they're gonna keep going straight. Nice. There we go. Some more Mustangs. I'm gonna move my location a little, backing up. Alrighty. Nice. Look at this thing. It's crazy. Oof. T-top Camaro. 78. Nice. Look at this thing. V-dub. Ah, there's still a lot of cars to go. Alright. There they go. Gosh, look at these old V-dubs. Look who's coming. Another Herbie. Alrighty, old Pontiac. And a Dodge here. Another Z. Yeah, nice. There goes the Monte Carlo. Got a Mercury here, I think. Yeah. Another little Bugster. There's always so many of these bugs. Alright. A bunch of Fords back to back to back. Alrighty. There we go. I like those old Jags. Shelby. Which way are they going? Some are going to the right, some to the left. I got them coming and going. There we go. Ooh, look at this mother generator. He's hungry. That's a TA, man. A couple Corvettes. Nice. All right, I think we're winding down here a little bit. Some Mustangs. This is a big show, much bigger than before. It's the best turnout I've ever seen at this show. SRT. This is funny. This is always at the show. I think he markets his limo here. It's kind of interesting. All right, back to some TAs, some vets, some SS's. With the T's. Oh man. Alrighty then. Here we go. Chevys. Another Gator fan. I think the Gators were up 17 zilch today, last time I was looking. All right, here's the last round. It's a beauty. Here we go. Little Viper. Look at this Porsche. All right, got some muscle cars definitely coming on through. This is the GT5. What is this? Yeah, GT500. Nice little Ferrari. And again, if you check out my my other shows, if you're listening to this or my other videos on the car shows, if you like Ferraris, Lambos, those type of cars, McLarens, they were all at the celebration video I shot. So just look up under my YouTube channel, Celebration, Rich Celenza, my name, car show. And you'll see some of the best cars you've ever seen as far as shows go. All right, kind of stalled here, so I'm gonna just kind of walk the rest. Look at that SRT. Got a yellow vet here. There's Rhea. Yeah. Let's come on over here. They're barking. They are barking. Alrighty. Well, that's kind of cool. Getting nuts over here. Eating up the concrete. Yeah, there's some more vets. Nice. There you go. Alright. This car show is insane. A lot of people. All right, so I basically videotaped the entire car show as the cars came in. I normally walk the streets and videotape them as well, but in this case, the show was just too busy. I just had too many people standing in front of the cars, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Hopefully you enjoy the cars coming in the show. Sometimes I switch it up. Anyways, if you get a chance, subscribe to my channel. If you like this car show, I have many others. Just put my name in car shows. There's a bunch I do in Florida. I just did one in California as well. Oh, no, I didn't. I did one, I'm sorry, in Washington. in Spokane. So yeah, if you want to get a chance, you can listen to my podcast, The Rich Celenza's Show, WTF Are You Talking About? I'm also on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and I'm also going to be doing a video on my favorite coffee shop, which is right there. Akesum Coffee. I'll be putting a video up. All right, take care, and again, if you get a chance, subscribe, and I wish you nothing but the best.